Alrighty guys, coming to you live, so not sure what really happened here, but I'll go ahead and voice over for you. We are at a house in Haddon Heights, New Jersey, and we are trimming the hedges. We're actually going to do some cobblestone or curbstone along the driveway to give it a little bit of a border and to match the other side of the driveway. Then we're going to add some mums for fall, and we are going to top it off with some nice root mulch. So stay tuned, watch this time lapse, and ride this wave.
What up, wave gangers? Take a look. My main man T right here. Just doing our thing, cleaning up these hedges. Let me come show you real quick. Got a little bit of a mess going on here. All right, we got the cobblestone down, looking minty. All the way up the driveway to match the other side. All the way throughout. We got the hedges trimmed. My man T did it. He did it. Look at that hedge right there, that burning bush. All the way throughout. Look at that. Right now we're just cleaning up the rest of the debris, and then we're gonna do the bed edger. We're gonna plant some mums, and we are going to mulch.
Gang, gang.
So yeah, stay tuned. If you're liking it, loving it, like, comment, and subscribe. Ride this wave. We out here. Alrighty guys, me and T here, looking good. Ovs. So yeah, we just got the bed edger out. Obviously we did the edge. That shit is mint. Ooh. All the way throughout.
Brown bed edger, baby.
That's it. Got a lot of roots right here, so I had to hand edge it real quick, but we got her done. Next step, mulching. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Got some hostas. Whew, long day. Got some MUMS that we're gonna be planting. So here they are, all nice and pretty. She wanted fall colors, so we got some oranges, some maroons, got some cabbage over there for our next property. Yeah, so I'm gonna plant these now and then we're gonna start mulching. Hang in there, let's ride this wave. Oh, and here we go. Quality root mulch, baby. Love it. Later. Alrighty guys, coming to you. Alright, as you can see, we did our nice little curbstone. Looks amazing.
Yeah,
Added
buddy.
some fall mums just to give the bed a little bit of character. And if you can check out, you saw earlier that edge is fire. It's nice and deep. You can see it. We love our edger. That's
Oh
what
yeah, brown better.
we gotta blow that off. But yeah, you see my man T over there killed it with the hedges. Take a walk this way and we'll show you.
Ooh, that edge.
Yeah, that edging all the way through. Check that out, T. Look at that.
Ooh, we're gonna get down for you guys. Look at that baby right there.
What we do.
Woo.
And then come on, we got this beautiful view.
Got some nice trimming going on. I try, I'm not the best.
And T right here made a nice little shape, got it off their driveway for him. And then, yeah. All right, guys, that's it. Stay tuned, let's ride this wave.
Wave gang.
Ooh.